Good morning, this is Marty Sweeney for Zabrita Makes It Work. We're here with Zabrita Dunham. Good morning, Zabrita.
Good morning.
Today we're going to take a look at a piece of assistive technology that you put together to help you with a sort of a security alarm system. Tell me a little bit about what we're going to look at.
It's just a simple device I came up with that allows me to be notified when someone enters my door.
So you're in an apartment where people on staff are coming and going throughout the day, and you wanted to make sure that if they're coming into your room for any particular reason, you would be aware of them coming and going.
Yes, that's correct.
I'm taking a look at the what I'll call is the door alarm now. Can you describe the pieces?
Yes, as you see, there's a like a bookshelf bracket, the white L-shaped looking thing. It is there to hold the string or twine there. That is actually allowing the counter pins below to swing from it, which, with that dangling in the air, when anyone opens the door, it knocks into the little coat hanger that's on the door. Yeah, so you see it's very effective.
Uh-huh.
As you may have noticed, I had the cotter pins slightly just below the top of the door, because if you put it down any lower and they shut the door, the cotter pins get stuck in the door.
Okay, so we'll call this the Zabrita door alarm. Okay, all right. Thanks a lot, Zabrita.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.